Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. V pattern, moving average bounce, inverted H. V pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the downside. V pattern, moving average bounce, Fibonacci, lightning to the downside. If this price doesn't drop any lower here soon, it's getting held up on the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. So, darn it. Well, this is not good. Hold on, my mouse just died. I'm gonna have to get the backup real quick.
Order filled.
And there's a little bit better than a 90-cent drop today, ladies and gentlemen. Again, our main mouse died. We had to use the backup, so I'm not going to fool around. I'll just take my profits and run for now. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. H pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. H pattern, 555, Fibonacci, lightning to the upside.
Line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do at this point is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and I want to see if this fills the gap from yesterday. If it does fill the gap, we might have a possibility of seeing a $2 move. So let me go over to the 5-minute chart and actually draw this out. As you can see, the high of yesterday and the close of yesterday, there's that void. So I want to see how it reacts off of that void. If, again, we blow past the gap fill, we might go all the way up and retest the high of yesterday. If not, and we get stuck up roughly around 495.50-ish, and there's no follow through, we'll just punch out at that point. At this point, we're losing energy to the upside and we're getting little to no fall through. So if we tap around the 495.50-ish area again, we'll just punch out at this point. It's taken too long to break that area.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.40 run on our second trade of the day, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024. We're going up with QQQ for the third and final time. H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern. H pattern, moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. H pattern, moving average bounce, Fibonacci, slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains and we're going to play this bar by bar. Here soon we should see some power exploding off this 21 moving average. As you can see that the 21 and the 200 are starting to separate and we want to see the power go that way. So let's turn this down a little bit. So we want to see the 21 and the 200 separate. Let's just turn this down as well. So we want to see the 21 start to rise and get away from that 200 to see some power. What I want to see here in the next few minutes is the price to accelerate past the 495.25 and the 495.50. If we can't get through those areas, we might pull profit because we're starting to lose juice. Running Man made a good effort to go that dollar move, but he's taking too long of a break right now, so that might not be a good sign. Again, we're going to play this bar by bar, and those are the overhead targets that we're looking at: 495.25, 495.50. At this point, the failure rate is starting to increase, so I don't believe it's going to fail around the 495 area. I think it's going to run up real quick, go around the 495.25-ish, fake everyone out, and turn it right back down. So if it pops up into that 495.25 area, we'll just close out. This is taking way too much time for this to get to its destination.
Order filled.
3 trades, $3.65 today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.